And let's talk about Venn diagrams and sets today. And we're going to begin with talking about sets. Now, sets are denoted with capital letters, and you'll see your little bracket markings here. And the numbers that appear inside of those brackets are what we call elements. So 1, 3, 5, 7 are all elements of set B. 2, 4, 6, 8 are all elements of set C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are all elements of set D. Okay, now in this question it's asking what is set B a subset of which other set? Now a subset means all the elements in that set appear in a larger set. Okay, so for example, the only possible answer here could be set B, okay, because 1 also appears in set D, 3 appears in set D, 5 appears in set D, and so does 7, and those are all the elements in set B. So we would say that set B is a subset of set D. Now, this problem is dealing with Venn diagrams. Now, you're probably familiar with Venn diagrams. You've done this in the past, maybe in elementary school already, or middle school you've worked with them. There are two circles that overlap for your Venn diagram. The overlapping part you'll see right in the middle, and the number that belongs there are generally the people that you're surveying who like both of the topics that you gave them. Now, here, this part of the circle would be only the people who like salsa dancing, and this part of the circle is only for people who like hip-hop dancing. So I generally start by filling in the people who like both, the overlapping part right here. So looking at my problem, it says last fall, 30 people signed up to take salsa dancing, 55 for hip-hop, and 15 signed up for both. Okay, so I'm going to start by putting 15 in the middle here. And this is where it gets a little bit tricky. Okay? Notice that 15 is part of the salsa circle. So even though it says that 30 people signed up for salsa, 15 is part of that 30. So the way to find out how many people just like salsa is to take the 30 people who signed up for the course and subtract over that overlapping part. So that means that 15 people like salsa dancing only. And we're going to do the same concept for our hip-hop. There are 55 people who signed up for that hip-hop course. 15 of those we already have accounted for right here in the overlapping part of our circle. And I'm going to do this in orange. I probably should have color-coded this. Oh well. Oopsie. Alright. So we have to subtract, and we'll get our 40 people like hip-hop dancing. So 15 people like just salsa, 40 like just hip-hop, and 15 like both salsa and hip-hop dancing. And the last question I'm going to work through today, we have a set E that says students that wear socks to school, and we have the question, is this a subset of E? Students that wear athletic socks to school. So I'll give you a couple seconds here to think about that while I get the answer on the board. And the answer is yes, of course that is a subset. Athletic socks are a type of sock. So these students all here are incorporated into set E. Okay, all these students wear their socks to school, so yeah, they're going to be a part of set E. An athletic sock is a type of sock, so yes, they are included. So yes, that is a subset.